Okay, now I'm going to try recording and see if that is a little bit better. All right, so okay, I'm trying to get the right amount of light. It's just not working. Okay, so hopefully now we'll be able to see it. Okay, so on let's look at number 12. Okay, I've got, you see the diagram, all right, I've got a line, okay, and I get 11x minus 15, okay, and then the next one is 5x minus 13. Now, because this is a line, that's going to equal 180 degrees. These are adjacent, it's also a linear pair. So now I take 11x, okay, minus 15 plus 5x minus 13, and that gives me a total of 180. Okay, of 180. So if I'm going to I have like terms on this side, so 11x plus 5x, 16x, negative 15 minus 13 minus 28 equals 180. Okay, I'm going to add 28. That's going to give me 218. So that's 16x equals 218. Divide both sides by 16, and x is equal to 13. And that's my final answer. All right, that was number 12. Now I'll do Now I'll do 15 again. Okay, because that's very similar to 16, and then we'll work 17 together. All right, so number 15. I have find the value of x and y. Now, right now I know that the two angles that are created right here between 18y plus 5, 18y plus 5, and then 10, wow, this is not going well today. Okay, so 10x, hang on, so now I have 10x minus 61. Now, we automatically know that these are vertical, but I can't combine them because you can't combine the y with the x. So, I now put x plus 10 right there. Okay, so now I can see that these two angles right here form a linear pair. They're adjacent, so I know they're supplementary. So now I take 10x minus 61 plus x plus 10, and it's going to equal 180. Okay, so now I'm going to solve for x. That's going to be 11x, negative 61 plus 10 is minus 51, equals 180. Add 51 to both sides, and now I have 11x is equal to 231. And then when I divide, wait, did I do that right? Make sure, yeah, 11x minus 51, add 51, 231, yeah, x is 21. All right, so now I can plug in 21 right here. So now I have 10 times 21 minus 61, and that is going to equal 210 minus 61 is 149. Well, since these two are vertical, I know that this angle equals that. So now I can set it up to where 18y plus 5 equals 149. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract 5. that's going to give me 144, 18y, divide by 18, and so x is 21 and y is 8. And those are the values of my x and my y. Okay, and then we're going to do number 17. Okay, number 17. We got to look at everything here. So if I take angle N, okay, NP is a bisector. So MNQ and PNQ and MNP are equal to each other. So MNQ is 8x plus 12. Okay, so let's kind of draw out what this is going to look like, and I know this is extra large, but that is so that you guys can see it. MNPQOR. This equal to that. All right, so MNQ, the whole thing, MNQ, the whole thing is 8x plus 12. And then measure of P in Q is 78. Well, if I know this is 78, then I know this is 78. I also know that the whole thing is 8x plus 12. So if I take 78 plus 78, okay, that's going to give me make sure, yeah, 78 plus 78 is going to be 146. Okay, or I'm sorry, 156. My fault. Don't have a calculator up here. So subtract 12, that's going to give me 144. 8x is equal to 144. I'm going to divide by 8, and x is going to be 18. So x is 18. And I'm told to find the values of x and y. So I know x is the value of 18. So now, let's erase this. Okay, now we'll still keep there. Okay, now we're still going to keep x is 18. Now, if I take a look at where y is at, and y is R in M, so this angle right here is equal to 3y minus 9. Okay, so let me move my x is 18. All right, and we're going to move that kind of up to here. And I have, for that, I have 3y minus 9. So that is this angle right there. Well, if I add these two together, okay, plus this, 3y minus 9, then all of this right here is a straight line. So I know it's equal to 180. So I'll take 3y minus 9 plus 156, and that's going to equal 180. I'm going to subtract 9 from 56. I have 3y plus 147 equals 180. I'm going to subtract 147, and that's going to give me 3y is 33, and then y is 11. So y is 11, x is 18. Okay, I want to see everybody work this. I want to see you go through the struggle of getting this right, and I want you to get it right. So please have your parents text me if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great weekend. Go Gators.